Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install MetaTrader 4 on PC. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for MetaTrader. After that, open the official MetaTrader 4 web link. You will notice that if you select MetaTrader 4 and click on the download button, it is not available for download anymore. To download it, open a new tab and search for XNES. A bunch of results will then start displaying on your screen. Simply scroll down a little bit and click on the MetaTrader 4 sublink. This will redirect you to the download page. Here, you just need to click on the download button and the setup will start downloading. If you have problems downloading it from that website, you can open another tab and search for TickMill. From the search results, open the official website and get to the Platforms tab at the top. From the submenu, access the MetaTrader 4 embed and then start scrolling down. Once you get to this section, click on the Windows icon and the downloading will begin. After it downloads, you can just follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. So that's basically how you can download and install MetaTrader 4 on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.